Best high-protein foods for hysterectomy recovery. After undergoing a hysterectomy, proper nutrition plays a crucial role in speeding up recovery. One of the most important nutrients for healing is protein. Protein helps with tissue repair, muscle maintenance, and overall recovery, ensuring your body heals efficiently after surgery. Why protein is essential post-hysterectomy? Protein is vital for recovery after a hysterectomy. It helps repair tissues, maintain muscle mass, and support the immune system. Adequate protein intake speeds up wound healing, reduces inflammation, and prevents complications during recovery, ensuring your body heals properly. Here's a list of the best high-protein foods for hysterectomy recovery to incorporate into your diet. 1. Chicken and turkey. Lean poultry, such as chicken and turkey breast, are excellent sources of protein. A 3-ounce portion of turkey provides about 25 grams of protein, aiding in tissue repair and muscle maintenance. 2. Eggs. Eggs are a complete source of protein, offering all essential amino acids. A large egg contains about 6 grams of protein, making it an easy and versatile option to support healing. 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is packed with protein, with one serving containing up to 20 grams. It also has probiotics, which support digestion during recovery. 4. Fish and seafood. Fish like salmon and tuna are rich in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and support wound healing. A 3-ounce serving of salmon contains about 22 grams of protein. 5. Tofu and tempeh. For plant-based protein, tofu and tempeh are great options. A half cup of tempeh provides about 15 grams of protein and can aid in hormonal balance during recovery. 6. Lentils and beans. Lentils and beans are rich in protein and fiber. A cup of cooked lentils contains around 18 grams of protein, helping with digestion and tissue repair. 7. Quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein, offering 8 grams per cup. It's also packed with fiber and magnesium, essential for muscle and bone health. 8. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese provides 11 grams of protein per half cup and is low in fat. It's also a good source of calcium, supporting bone health during recovery. 9. Nuts and seeds. Nuts like almonds and seeds such as chia or sunflower seeds provide protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants. A quarter cup of almonds offers around 6 grams of protein. 10. Whey protein. Whey protein powder is a convenient way to boost protein intake, offering 20 to 30 grams of protein per scoop. It's ideal for those who may struggle to meet their protein needs through food alone. Including these high-protein foods in your diet can help support your body's recovery after a hysterectomy. Whether you prefer animal-based or plant-based options, ensuring you get enough protein is vital for healing and overall wellness. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider to tailor your nutrition plan for the best results. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.